So I just wanted to go through how to do the blackout poetry for period 5. So I'm going to click on the assignment. It says write a blackout poem. I'm just going to click on it. And so the instructions are to click on the first link, which has some text, some words. Select one of them, copy it, click on the second link, paste the text into the box, and then black out words so that you are left with a poem that makes sense. So we are starting from some writing that doesn't make sense. It's writing that students have done, but I kind of randomized it. I mixed it up so that it doesn't make sense. And we're going to try to use this blackout poetry maker to create something meaningful, a meaningful poem. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is click on this random text for blackout poem. So I'm going to open that. And I have 3 selections from things that students wrote that I kind of mixed up. So all you have to do is just pick pick a portion of it. So I'm just going to go like this and select about that much. And then I'm going to copy it. So on your iPad, you just tap it so the copy thing comes up. And on my computer, I just select copy. And then I'm going to go back to the assignment and click on the second link, Blackout Poetry Maker, which is going to take me to a website. And over here it says enter your custom text here. So that means your own text, the text that you just copied. So I'm going to put my cursor there and I'm going to say paste. And then on the bottom there's a button that says enter text. So I'm going to click that. So now everything that I selected from that earlier document is over here. And now what I'm going to do is find a poem or find something meaningful, find something that makes sense in these words that don't make sense all by themselves. And I'm going to do that by just clicking on the words that I want to keep. And then it's going to black out the rest of the poem. So for example, maybe I want to say, what would you tell the monkey? No, I don't like that. What would you... So I selected the words, what do you see? Everything. It's good to be fun. Right? So for now, that's all I'm going to select. So you can see that kind of makes sense. What do you see? Everything. It's good to be fun. Right? That makes sense. So I'm going to click blackout, and it's going to get rid of everything except for those words that I chose. And now I have a little bit of a poem. What do you see? Everything. It's good to be fun. Okay, and then all I need to do is go down here and I can click on render square, which means it's going to take that and turn it into a picture that's a square picture, or I can do the whole thing. But since I kind of left a lot of it, there's a lot of space at the bottom. I think this time I'm just going to click on render square, and then down here it has my poem. What do you see? Everything. It's good to be fun. And that's a picture, so I can just save it as a picture. I could try to, I think you can also share it directly to Schoology from here, but you can save it on your iPad and then submit it to Schoology. Okay, and that's all you have to do. It takes a little bit of time to find a poem. You might have to, maybe I'm not completely happy with that one, or I want to add some things, so I can just click on reset and I can start over again. What if you walk to school? What if you walk to school so happy? Right? That's another example. What if you walk to school so happy? So I've made some sense. I've made something that makes sense. You can understand it from text that didn't make any sense. And that's what we're kind of working on with our poetry, trying to take something that's confusing and turn it into a meaningful statement or carefully crafted set of words that have a meaning. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon.